Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate checkout process with PayPal detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by accessing your PayPal business account. Log in using your credentials. Navigate to the developer portal at developer.paypal.com. Create a new application in the dashboard. Choose a descriptive name for your application. Select the appropriate environment, either sandbox for testing or live for production. Once your application is created, ensure you note the client ID and secret key. Next, integrate the PayPal SDK into your website. For JavaScript, include the PayPal JavaScript SDK script in your HTML. Specify the client ID in the script parameters. Proceed to set up the PayPal checkout button. Create a container element in your HTML to hold the button. Utilize the PayPal SDK method to render the button in the container. Define payment creation and execution functions within the SDK setup. In the payment creation function, specify the transaction details such as amount and currency. Ensure you include redirect URLs for success and cancellation scenarios. Next, implement the payment execution function to finalize the transaction. Handle the response from PayPal accordingly. Test your integration thoroughly in the sandbox environment. Monitor for any errors and debug as needed. Once satisfied with the sandbox results, move to the live environment. Update the client ID and secret key in your production environment. Launch your site and perform a test transaction to ensure everything works smoothly. Always ensure compliance with PayPal's policies and security standards. Regularly update your integration as required by PayPal's updates or changes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.